Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set your sheets automatically be saved at offline mode in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I wanna say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay? Now let's jump into it. As you can see, I'm in the Google Sheets application right now. I'm signed in into my freshly created brand new account, which I created only for these videos. What you want to do is click on the three lines at the top left corner of your phone. Click on those three lines. Here you want to look a little bit lower until you see settings. Click on the settings, and here we have an option called make recent files available offline. If you want to turn it on, you can just click on it and it automatically turns it on. What this does is if you save a file, it will automatically save it to your phone. So if you don't have any internet, it will be still available for you. So yeah, guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.